What is going on, LEGO investors? So today we're going to go over the sales that are out today. I typically like to make sale videos on Sunday because Target is the store that offers their sales on Sunday, and it's a great indication to me what we see. But we don't really have a whole lot of great sales going on, but there is one thing that is going on, which is a really, really great sign to me. So I myself and a lot of investors are waiting for the next sale to happen. So last December and Black Friday, we had awesome, phenomenal sales because stores were just building up the inventory, and we're all waiting for the stores to offer more sales because I think they're going to keep building up that inventory. But I noticed something weird. Target and Walmart aren't really getting the typical store stocks like they do every week. My Target has not been stocked like it has been. Before, I would clear out a shelf and then the next week they would get another shipment. I would clear out a shelf and they would get another shipment. That's not happening anymore. So Target just has not been getting their shipments like normal. I think that's because LEGO has been adjusting their production. They're not mass producing every set hoping that it sells. I think they're starting to see, and I think they're starting to hurt. And I think they're adjusting their production and they're not just making sets. So that's why Target has been kind of cleared out. And I think going forward, we might see a leaner inventory stock compared to last year. But I do believe that Target and other stores are not selling LEGO like they used to, so they're going to be building up inventory. And I've said, in 4 to 5 months, we might see some decent sales. So what we're about to look at indicates to me that this is a great sign and the sales are going to come. So every so often, Target likes to offer the gift card sale, and that is back. And again, to me, that is a great, great sign. I love that. That tells me that inventory is building up, sets aren't selling. And a lot of the Target gift card option, it isn't really for great sets, but it's still a great sign to me. So now check it out. You might want to buy some of these sets personally, so that's where the gift card comes into play, and it might be a better deal. I typically do not like the gift card option, and be aware that you have to do, if you go into the store, you have to do it individually at $50 a piece, because if you ring up $100 worth of inventory, you're only going to get $10. So if you split it out, buy $50 worth of this set, pay for it, get your $10 gift card, go to your car, come back in, do another $50 at another cashier, get that $10 gift card. That's how you have to do it. And I hate when they do it online because they typically offer, a limit of 2 or 3, so you can't hit that $50 threshold with the sets that you want. Again, Target is so anti-reseller, and it's really their downfall, and I hate Target for that. And that's why I don't recommend anyone buying their stock. I mean, why would you buy stock in a company that limits the inventory that someone could buy? They're missing out on, in my opinion, millions of dollars a year. But pretty much I like the Star Wars sets for investing, so check out this. You might see some. So we got the Leia Boushh helmet. This one's $10 off. I don't like it at this price. I'd rather buy it for $60 without the $10 gift card. I absolutely love this helmet. I'm waiting for this one to go on sale. This one just has not been selling at all. I think it's following exactly how the Dark Trooper did. Everyone hated the Dark Trooper, and a lot of people have really been hating on this helmet. And if you watch my videos before, you know I love the Dark Trooper helmet. So I love this. I think this is going to shock a lot of people in the long run. And I think this is going to end up being a $150 to $180 helmet. And I really, really have faith in that helmet. But check out some other sets. You might find it. I'm not going to buy any. I might consider the Leia Boushh, but I don't know. I'd have to really think about it to pick it up for this sale. I think I'll probably wait. And then another thing you need to be aware of, that it needs to be above $50 or more. $49.99 ain't going to get you that gift card. So just be aware of that. So nothing really spectacular in regards to sales at Target, just the fact that we got the gift card, which is a great sign to me. So let's check out Walmart. Walmart really doesn't really have a whole lot of sales, although there is one thing that I want you to be aware of. So if you watch my previous video, you know that I have a fear that they're going to raise the helmet prices. I said in my video before that the helmet prices in store are now $70, and this is a really, really bad sign, because if we look here, the Captain Rex helmet is now $57.40, and I think before it was $54 or maybe $56. So it's really concerning that Walmart is gradually raising the price. I think eventually the helmets will go back to $70, and we're going to be in that difficult time. And where do we purchase, or do we just let it sit on the shelf for retail? I'm going to struggle with that, so it's a really, really bad sign. I want you to be aware of this, because typically when this happens at one store, it happens at all the stores. And I wouldn't be surprised if it hits back to 70 really soon. So as you know, I love the Star Wars helmet line, and I think they're the great investment. I just want you to give you a quick visual for any newbies here. The Dark Trooper helmet retailed for $70, got a value of $75. I picked it up for $48, so that was a phenomenal price. And I think a few at $55, I think. And then the Luke Skywalker Red 5, a lot of people picked up a ton of these for $43, got a value of $75. Boba Fett retail for $60, got a value of $70. So helmets really have a great, they're strong for investing. And that's why I want you to be aware of what's going on at Walmart, because some of you might be waiting and we might miss out on these sales. It's really unknown. So let's check out Amazon. Amazon really doesn't have any great sales going on. They're just the typical sales of sets that haven't been selling. But there is one set that I want you to be aware of. We do have the Razor Crest UCS. That one is still on sale. I think it's a bad investment, but if you're buying for personal wise, that might work for you. But I think the smaller Razor Crest is a much better investment. Investing this much money in a set is really risky, and really you should only do it if you're rich. But the one set that I want you to be aware of that is on sale is the Indiana Jones Temple of the Golden Idol. This is great that this is on sale. It's not a big sale, but 12% is, I'll take it at this price. I do expect this one to go on a better sale, but this is a great sign to me. So if you watch my other video about Indiana Jones, you know, I pretty much said the theory is that it's going to end completely. It's really odd. I don't know if there's some licensing issue, but we only got 3 Indiana Jones sets, and it looks like we're not getting any more. And I think this set is going to be strong in retirement. It's going to be a very, very long hold, but I think it's going to be a good investment, a long investment. But I have faith in this set. I'm pretty much going to buy all 3 Indiana Jones sets because they just have a history of doing really well. So we've got this one, the Temple of the Golden Idol, and then the Jones Escape from Lost Tomb, and then the Last Crusade fighter plane chase. I think this one's going to do awesome because of the 2 vehicles. But yeah, I want you to be aware of that. What's going on? This is on sale. We're probably going to get a better sale, but hey, if you're really loving this set and been waiting for it, this might work for you. And then next up, let's check out Best Buy. You know, Best Buy shocks a lot of people that they do sell Lego. I think it's great that they do. Sometimes they have some hitters on here, but sometimes they don't. But I really don't see any awesome sales. But you should always check out Best Buy to see what's available. A while back ago, I believe the Yavin 4 Rebel base or whatever that set is, that was on sale for like $130. That was a phenomenal purchase. So check it out. But nothing really going on here. So on Lego.com, we got some decent sales. So let's check out page 1. We've got Atari 2600. This is $191. It's not good enough for me. Costco had it on sale for I think $150, $160 a little bit ago. So it's got to be better. But I do love this set. It's just got to be cheaper. And then the mini Disney Haunted Mansion. This is still on sale. I know a lot of people said they love this set in my comments. But I just do not see the demand for this set. It's just not going out of stock. And it looks like it's not a popular set to me. And then we got the Black Panther set. This set just will not go away. Despite all the awesome sales, it is a terrible set. I think a well-designed set, but a terrible set. And this is $209. I think it's really probably only going to sell out when it hits $160. Amazon last Black Friday had it for I think $160 range. And a lot of people bought it. I guess this set is great for parting out the bricks. It's got a huge value, but at this value, at the sealed wise for the set, is a terrible investment. I am never going to purchase this set. And then we've got the Hulkbuster. I love this set. It's a phenomenal set, but that's personal wise. For investing, I see nobody's paying a premium for this set. I think the small Hulkbuster is a better purchase and it has more potential for investing, but this set is a pass. I would have to buy it for like $150 to buy it, honestly, despite me loving the Hulkbuster suit. And then we got Daisy Duck. Daisy Duck, this is pretty much one of the last BrickHeads that have been in stock that I absolutely love. This set is $6.99. I think that's a great price. I think Daisy Duck's going to sell for anywhere from $20 to $30. So there's definitely money to be made with this set, although it's going a little long being in stock. I don't know if they overproduced it or just the demand is not there. Donald Duck's sold out fast, so this one's a little concerning. And then let's see, on the next page we've got Spice Girls Tribute. Love the Spice Girls, but passing on this set. Jake and Sully and his Avatar. This is a pass for me. I do not like the Avatar sets. I do not like the Avatar movies. I think ultimately this is going to be a bad investment. I think you could make a few bucks on it, but it's just, I probably see like maybe an $8 profit one day. I don't see anyone buying this. And then the Disney 100th Celebration, this one's still on sale, so that's great. At $23.99, I think this is going to be a decent purchase. As I've said in all my videos, I fear that they'll break these out individually, but at $23.99, I think I'll still come out ahead. Because if they break these up individually, they'll sell them for $10 each. So, you know, it's a win-win in my book. And, you know, you got the Disney 100 on the box, so that's great. I'd like to definitely pick up at least 5 more, but I just got to get some money and then head to the Lego store. So that's what we got going on for this week with Lego. Not a whole lot of sales. I definitely appreciate everyone that's watching. I appreciate if you comment down below and like the video. It definitely helps the algorithm. But keep an eye out for Target, because this is a great sign with the Target gift card. Typically, I want to say maybe 2 Sundays from now, maybe a little longer, we might see some official sales. Who knows? But keep an eye out on it. And I appreciate everyone that's been commenting and supporting this channel. You're awesome. But as always, please do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.